guys, today I'm going to be talking about all my puppets. They wanted to go to a farm, but the farmer said no. So, this one's called Chicky because she's a chick. This one's called Lammy because she's a lamb. This one's called Piggy because he's a pig. And this one's called Ladybug because she's a ladybug. This one's called Froggy because he's a frog. They all wanted to go to a farm, but then the farmer said no. So, let's ask each animal and insect what was their plan. Chicky, what was your plan? I thought of getting in and hiding under the farmer's bed. I think that's not a great idea. What did you think, Lammy? I would jump over all the sheeps and hide through them. That's also a bad idea. What did you think, Piggy? I thought of hiding in the mud. Well, that might be a good idea. What did you think, Ladybug? I thought of hiding in the trees and the bushes, because those are my favorite places to hide and eat. Well, what if we eat all the leaves? I will be surprised. Well, what did you think, Froggy? I thought of asking the farmer first before I get in. That is a great idea. Everybody should do that because that's the only way you could make friends.